Hey guys, welcome to another video. This one is going to be a what I eat in a week video. For this week, I wanted to try like an intuitive eating approach. So I'm not restricting my calories, I'm not restricting any foods that I'm eating, but basically I was trying to eat healthy and balanced meals throughout the week and only eat when I'm hungry and until I'm full. I also tried a new meal delivery service similar to Daily Harvest. It's called Mosaic Foods. So some of my meals are from that. And if you guys are curious to hear my thoughts about it, I'm gonna put a mini review at the end of this video. So with all that being said, let's go straight into the video. So on Monday, I wasn't super hungry for breakfast, so I decided to have something smaller. I made this little open-faced sandwich with cream cheese and smoked salmon. And I had a cup of coffee. I usually fill my cup halfway with coffee and then add a splash of half and half and unsweetened almond milk with some sugar-free syrup. And that's it for my breakfast. Then before lunch, I wanted a little snack, so I had this protein bar. It tastes a little bit like an RX bar, but I think it's better. It's really chocolatey. Then for lunch, I had one of my Mosaic meals. It was basically pasta with pesto and cherry tomatoes, and I cooked it in the microwave at work. Then for another snack at work, I had these two tangerines. And then when I came home, I was pretty hungry, so I had some veggies with hummus, a baby bell cheese, and more cheese wrapped in prosciutto. For dinner, I'm making this healthier fried rice. I added some carrots, broccoli, and edamame. I also added some cauliflower rice, some leftover chicken, and some already cooked brown rice. And I finished everything with an egg, and that's my dinner. I also had this drink with my food. On Tuesday for breakfast, I decided to have an avocado toast with some leftover cooked bacon that I had. I made my eggs sunny side up with some salt, pepper, and paprika. What's there to say? There's nothing but space in between you and I. It's okay that we... And I also made myself some whipped instant coffee because I was craving it. Then for lunch, I wanted to try this cauliflower crust pizza that I had in my freezer. This is it, already cooked. It's not bad, but it's not my favorite. I'm not gonna buy it again. The Costco one remains my favorite one. This one is just kind of soggy. It's just not very good. For snack later, I had some edamame and a few of these gum bananas from Trader Joe's. Then for dinner, I'm making a vegetarian burrito bowl, and these are all my ingredients. I used a mix of cauliflower rice and brown rice for the base, and I also had some salad greens with it. For dessert, I had some berries with some whipped cream and sugar-free chocolate chips. Don't say it's okay if I'm falling and you're running away. You're the only one that saves me. And then later, I had some roasted seaweed while I was watching TV. But we On Wednesday, we slept in, so I skipped breakfast and I just had some Starbucks coffee. I had a nitro cold brew with some sweet cream and sugar-free vanilla syrup. For lunch, I ate some leftovers, the veggie and chicken fried rice from the other day, and a baby bell cheese. I'm depressed, so I'm gonna have some of these. Never had them before. Oh my god, these are so spicy. And then for dinner, I was too lazy to cook, so I decided to have another Mosaic meal. This was a peanut tofu bowl. This was way out of my comfort zone, but I actually really liked it. For dessert, I had a healthier version of an ice cream sandwich with Cool Whip and a graham cracker. It's really good, you guys have to try it. And I also had a few of these. They're from Trader Joe's and actually so amazing. And then I wanted another little snack, so I had an apple with peanut butter. The next day was Thanksgiving, so I decided to keep it light during the day. I decided to try another meal from Mosaic. It was a savory old bowl. Is this something after there's nothing to say? We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape. I wanted to give it a fair shot, but I didn't like it at all, so I made myself another cream cheese and salmon sandwich instead. Then for lunch, I had a chocolate banana smoothie with some avocado. I also added some peanut butter and a scoop of this chocolate collagen protein powder. It tasted really, really good. And I also had another baby bell cheese. Next up, it was time for Thanksgiving dinner. We couldn't find a small enough turkey, so we went with roasted chicken, and we also had green beans, mashed potatoes, stuffing, and cranberry sauce. Here's the plate that I made for myself, and everything tasted amazing. For dessert, we made apple crisp, which turned out so tasty, and of course, I had to have it warm with some vanilla ice cream on top. Okay, it's the last day, it's Friday. I'm having eggs and bacon with some ketchup for breakfast and of course coffee. We skipped lunch and this is dinner at a friend of ours. We have pulled pork sandwiches and pecan pie for dessert. So overall, I had a good experience with the service. I thought the flavors were interesting. A lot of them, to be honest, were out of my comfort zone. But if you are an adventurous eater, you're definitely gonna enjoy the flavor combinations. I thought the meals were healthy. They had a lot of vegetables, which is always good. It's always great to have a healthy, convenient option in your freezer that you can warm up in a matter of minutes. Another thing that I liked was the fact that the main meals had enough calories. They really felt like a real meal and they were filling. All of them had over 500 calories, which I thought is important, and that was very different compared to my Daily Harvest experience. For me, the biggest disadvantage of this service was the price, and of course I realized that all services like that are going to be expensive because you pay for convenience. But one thing that I liked in Mosaic was that not all meals were the same price. For example, the oatmeal was a smaller portion, less ingredients, less calories, so it was $5 versus a main meal that was $9. If you guys want to try Mosaic out, I'm going to have a link in the description down below, as well as a discount code if I'm able to find one. That was everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really, really helps my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you enjoy healthy lifestyle and wellness content. I try to post every single week and I would love to have you on my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!